Hello again, crafty people. Today we're going to make this painting, and you think, oh, well, why is she showing it at the start? I'm afraid we have a few technical difficulties today. So the original introduction for this video is corrupted or missing. So anyway, I can come back at the end and show you what we're going to make. So we're going to make this painting. This is a manual swipe, and I haven't done that for such a long time, so I thought I would do that today. I've created a band of white in the middle, and then I've used my palette knife to swipe the white out in either direction, and it was a nice change today to do it manually and really be able to control that swipe. So this is what it looks like. If you'd be interested, check out the video. Unfortunately, the sound in the video is also corrupted, so you get to see what I'm doing, but I won't be able to talk you through it this time. I'll add a little bit of relaxing music and then come back at the end. So there we go. Another painting completed. You know, if they said you can only ever use blue and you can only ever swipe, I would be happy with that. Blue swipe paintings are just my favorite. I could do that almost every day of the week. So as usual, thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done, and come and join me over on the Insider Tribe. Come and join me at Patreon. That's Patreon/Debbie Cole. Oh, patreon.com/Debbie Coles. Come and join me there and be a member of my Insider Tribe. Look forward to seeing you here on the channel again very soon.